Guys, Dalana B here, and today I am back with another video, and I am super excited about this video because I will be bringing to you the FabFitFun seasonal box for the winter. I'm uber excited to show you guys all of the products that I received from this subscription box. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss an upload every single time I upload. If you are not following me on social media, please go ahead and follow me at DalanaB_, and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so as I said, I'm super excited to be partnering with FabFitFun for this subscription service and to bring it to you all. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box with full-size products. Yes, guys, full-size products. I know, I was blown away too. The overall value of this box is $200, but if you use code Dalana, you can get this box for $39.99. Yes, guys, $39.99. And that's really cool because a lot of the products that you will receive is actually a little bit more than the actual subscription price, so I think that is uber cool. You will receive 8 to 10 products in each box depending on what you pick. Some of the items you can customize, others will just be randomly sent to you. These boxes are available in the United States, Canada, as well as the UK, and there are a lot of variety in this box. It is fashion, it is beauty, it is lifestyle, as well as fitness. I love the versatility. I think that the variety is necessary. A lot of subscription boxes or subscription services only tailor to one thing, so I absolutely love the fact that this is so versatile. Not only is it versatile, it is an eco-friendly subscription service. So here is the box. This is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, it is of a cardboard box. The box is actually made from 100% craft recycled box, which I think is amazing. They are trying to save the planet. They're trying to save the trees. Everyone knows that I'm always talking about saving the trees. When I am at work, I am telling them, y'all, we need to save the trees. So I absolutely love that. In addition, this is full-on girl power. The products that I am going to bring to you guys or that you can receive in the box are from all female entrepreneurs, which I think is super cool. Like, we need that girl power all across the board. I'm a female, I'm an entrepreneur, and I absolutely love the fact that they are tailoring to our female counterparts. Absolutely love everything about it. Not only that, every box that FabFitFun does sell, it does raise awareness and funds for a charity, which I think is super cool. Like, we need more of that. We need to give back, and I am on board with anything that is helping someone else. So whether it is helping a charity, female empowerment, or helping their environment, I am here for it all. And their mission is to bring happiness to everyone, everywhere, which I think is super cool because if you guys know me, you guys know I spread light, positivity, and I just want everyone to be happy. Like, that is what my channel is all about. I mean, I call myself We're the Unitribe, you know, for crying out loud. So this is right up my alley. Now, as I did say that these products, they are full size. It's 8 to 10 products, and what you do is you go into the website, you kind of pick the items that you want, you subscribe, they send you your box, you wait to see what you get, and then you be all happy and whatnot. So I said all that to say, also, really quickly, the winter theme. So as I told you guys that this is a seasonal box, this winter theme, which I think is super cool, is shimmer and spice and everything nice. Guys, that just takes me back to my childhood. It reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls, sugar and spice and everything nice. You know, I just absolutely love it. I love a good theme, and I absolutely love the fact that that was their theme for this month. First item that I'm super excited to bring to you guys is something that I absolutely love, and it's going to be these Muck Luck socks, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these. They are gray. They are very, very thick, as I said. They also come with these cute little balls on the outside, which I think is super cute because it reminds me of like the ball socks from when I was younger. Also, a really cool feature is they come with these non-slip grips at the bottom, so you know, if you're walking around your house, you won't have to worry about falling or anything, which I think is super, super cool. And it just has like the brand on the bottom. Also, the inside, guys. So let's just talk about the inside. The inside of these footies are super, super soft. Oh my gosh. It is like this thick cotton material, which is almost like cotton balls, but kind of like stuck on the socks, if I am describing this correctly. But it's absolutely, it's gonna keep your feet warm. Not only is it gonna keep your feet warm, it's gonna keep you super cozy. It's just giving me all kind of fall winter vibes. The next item that I got is kind of along the same lines of that, those socks, and it's going to be this really nice plush robe. Oh my God, absolutely love it. This is actually one of the things that I picked out myself. It is super soft, and this is by the brand Summer and Rose. Now, I absolutely love this. On the inside, it is just soft. It is very plush. I love the fact that it does have a hoodie. I am a sucker for a robe with hoodies. So this is something that I will see myself, along with those sides, sitting on the couch, watching a nice Christmas movie with like my candles going, with some hot cocoa. Oh my God, just so comfortable, so warm, and it is just everything for me. The next item that they sent was actually a surprise to me, and I'm super excited that they sent it to me because this is something that I actually needed. And this is going to be the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. Now, I had been needing another mirror because I actually broke the one that I had. So when I seen this in the box, I was just like, oh my God, I actually needed one of these. So this is what the mirror looks like. And it is, you know, a full-on LED mirror light. Absolutely love it. It also came with these 4 batteries, because sometimes you do buy a product and it does require batteries and then you don't even know until after the fact. But I love the fact that those did come with the batteries already. It also comes with this USB cable, so you can plug it up to any port that you may have to also charge, recharge, which I think is super cool as well. In the case that your batteries run out, you do have this little USB card. So this is actually something that I really needed, and I was super excited that they sent that to me because it saved me some money. The next thing that was in my box was also something that I needed, and you guys know that on my channel I have been telling you guys that I'm going to give you a full-on updated skincare routine, and this is going to be something that I actually can use in that routine. This is a face brush. This is by the brand Daily Concept. This is a vegan daily face dry brush for radiant looking skin. Now, this is super compact, so let's just say I am going on vacation or something and I need a brush. We all know that sometimes face brushes can be a bit bulky, but with this one, it is super compact. It also comes with this rope where you can hang it up, which I think is super convenient. The bristles on the brush head is super soft. So this I am super excited about because, like I said, I will be giving you guys an updated face routine. So be on the lookout for that, but I will incorporate this in that video. Here we have this Laura Geller eyeshadow palette, and it is Cinnamon and Spice, which kind of goes along with the theme of, you know, this week's or this month's box. The whole shimmer and spice and everything nice. So I think that's kind of cool. I don't know if they meant to do that or not, but I like it. I'm here for it. As I said, this is the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette, and inside of it, let's see. Ooh, okay. So there are some shimmer shades, as you guys can see here. There are some shimmer shades, as well as I love the fact that it does come with a full mirror. A lot of products, sometimes when they do these eyeshadow palettes, they don't come with a full mirror, and that's kind of like a pet peeve of mine that I've been developing lately, because I love the fact that it's just so convenient where I can do my makeup and I can kind of look here and just, you know, put everything on without having to get a whole nother mirror, hence the fact that I broke mine, so I needed, you know, a mirror. But I'm actually excited to have this palette because I'm looking at the colors. I think this will be great for fall. If you're someone that loves shimmer shades, this would be a great addition to your makeup collection. If you are someone that loves makeup, that will be a great addition to your makeup collection, as well as it being really good for a cute fall look, holiday look. So yeah, excited about using that. The next thing that was in the box is a liquid eyeliner, and this is from Aesthetica. I have not heard of this brand. This is new to me, but it is a liquid eyeliner. The color is black. So I mean, I'm always looking for a good liquid eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. It just comes in this cute little tube, which I think is super cute. I absolutely love like small little compact items. I don't know, it's just how I am. But like I said, I'm always looking for a good liquid eyeliner, so this was a good touch to add to the box. This was not something that I picked. As I said, I've never heard of this brand, but let's just go ahead and open it. Oh, okay, so it is super thick. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it is a super thick eyeliner, or at least the applicator is super thick. So I don't know, I'm excited to use. The next item that was in the box is a super cute card holder. I think this is so cute. I absolutely love the color of it. It is super fall. This is by the brand Below the Belt. So it's B and then Low the Belt, which I think is super cool, and it's like a play on words. I don't know if they meant to do that because this is like a wallet that goes in your purse, which is kind of sort of below the belt. I don't know, but it is of a reptile texture. I like the detailing of this. I also like the fact that on the back there is a cute little gold zipper. I absolutely love the detailing of a product. I kind of feel like that's kind of like a make or break buy point depending on the detail and what it looks like. There's two different sections on here, so you can put like maybe your driver's license and then a bank card, and then on the back you can put maybe some cash or maybe some coins or something like that. This would be really cute if you were to just be running in the store and you don't really want to take your purse with you. So this would be really cute to kind of just run in the store really quickly, and you will have everything that you need. Like I said, you could just put like your bank card or maybe like your driver's license or whatever that you need really quickly to kind of move around. Absolutely love this. I love the fact how small it is. Like as I told you guys, I'm a sucker for small things just because I don't like to carry a lot of big things, although I like big purses, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I absolutely am excited to incorporate this into one of my bags. Moving on to the last thing in my box, and this is a set of, these are actual cutting boards. And I absolutely love these. Let me tell you why I love these. For one, they're color coded. Not only are they color coded, but if you guys can tell on here, they come with these cute little logos. So for this one, it's a shrimp cocktail. So I feel like you can kind of use these for what is on here. Now, of course, you can use them for whatever you want. But for me, I think that it's super cute that they have these little icons on here. So this, like I said, is a shrimp cocktail. Super cute. Also, it comes with these this rigid bottom. So for me, I feel like that would be perfect for them to not kind of move all around. I'm a cook. I love to cook. And sometimes my cutting board likes to slide, which means it's a bigger mess, which means there's more for me to have to clean up. But with this, I feel like because of the rigid bottom, it won't move as much. This one has like a little turn up at the bottom. I think that is super cute. This one has a rack of lamb, which I think is adorable. And then the last one has a little turkey or a little chicken or whatever, and it is cooking. I think that is so cute. Attention to detail is like my specialty, so I absolutely love the extra mile of going, adding just a little bit more detail to your product, whatever it may be. Like that is just something that makes me gravitate more towards a product. And I absolutely love the fact that, oh, I didn't even mention the company to you guys. So these are made by Epare. I'm hoping that I'm saying this right. It is E-P-A-R-E. Absolutely love that. So good job with that. I love the fact that it's color coded, and I also love the fact that they have those little icons. So I am super excited to use those when I am cooking. Also in the box, there was a cute little magazine, which is the FabFitFun magazine, and this is just what it looks like here. So it's just a little magazine that you can kind of go through, and it tells you a little bit about the company, products that you could purchase, and you know, just a cute little magazine. Also, it did come with a HelloFresh $80 off like gift card, and then it also came with a Bright Sellers $45 credit for wine lovers. So that was kind of cute. Alright guys, so that was everything that I received in my FabFitFun winter box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is a subscription service, which everything retails for over $200, but you can get this box for $39.99 using my coupon code, Dalana. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out and get some money off. On the site, it is $49.99, but of course with that coupon code, you can get $10 off. Don't worry, everything will be down in the description box below. If you guys are part of FabFitFun's family, let me know how you like it. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the products that you got. Let me know if you think it is worth it. I personally do think that it's worth it, just for the simple fact that it is eco-friendly, for the fact that it does have a theme, which like I said, I think that a theme is just absolutely necessary for anything. I love the fact that it does empower female entrepreneurs. We need more of that. And I also, the thing that I absolutely love is that it is full products, not a trial size, but it is full products for the price of only one. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.